Hello, welcome to Access Spoken English. This video is all about business English, the kind of words and phrases used at corporate offices and the business world at large. In this video, I'll discuss 30 words and phrases related to the business world. First, I'll discuss the meaning of the word. Next, I'll demonstrate how to use that word or phrase correctly in a spoken sentence or a written sentence. So, let's begin. Words related to marketing and sales. Branding, the promotion of a particular product or company by means of advertising and unique or specific design. How to use it in a sentence? The successful branding and marketing of the new mobile phone has boosted sales. Target market, a specific group of consumers at which a product or service is aimed. Example, if you want to manufacture a product, you should study the target market in detail. B2B, business to business. It stands for business that sells its product or service to other business. How to use it in a sentence? Samsung and Onyx Technology are B2B companies. B2C. It is the short form of business to customer. B2C stands for a business selling its product or service directly to the individual customer. Example, AgroFresh Dairy Farm is a B2C company. Campaign, an organized course of action to promote a product or service. Example, APJ Software is campaigning their new product on social media. Return on investment, ROI. A marketing campaign requires an initial investment of time and money. Return on investment is a metric that measures whether a campaign earned enough money to be worth the initial cost. Example, the ROI analytics clearly shows that the company made a profit of 40% through online sales. Market research, the process of gathering and analyzing information about a market and its customers. Example, I am disappointed with the product report because it is evident you have not done sufficient market research before working on this report. Lead. Leads are potential buyers who have engaged with a brand in the past and are likely to make a purchase in the future. Example, the sales team is actively working on increasing more leads to increase profits. Words related to accounting and finance. Revenue, income generated from business activities. Example, the total revenue generated from this company will be invested in export trade. Budget, a financial plan mentioning expected income and expenses for a specific time period. Example, the budget of constructing a new factory is too high. Audit, a detailed examination and verification of a company's financial records and practices. Example, the audit report has to be submitted to the Income Tax Department by the end of this month. Invoice. Bill or a commercial document recording the products and services delivered to the customer, mentioning the amount to be paid. Example: the invoice for this purchase has been sent to your mail. Liability. In a business context, liability refers to a financial obligation or debt that a company owes to external parties, such as creditors, suppliers, or employees. Example: the company has assets of rupees 100 crores and liabilities of 50 crores. Cash flow. This term describes the inflow and outflow of cash in a business. Example: if you want to calculate the cash flow of this month, you must go through the revenue and expenditure report. Words related to management and leadership. Innovate. To introduce new methods, ideas, or products. Example: if you expect better sales, you have to innovate products that are cheaper than the market rate. Monitoring. In business context, monitoring implies whether the team can complete a project on time according to the project budget. Example: Mahesh is in charge of monitoring this project. Collaborate. To work jointly on an activity or project. Nokia is collaborating with a Chinese company to launch a new iPhone. Delegate. Assigning tasks and responsibilities to subordinates. Example: the CEO has delegated the regional manager to preside over the AGM. Case study. A case study is a report that describes a project's challenges, solutions, and outcomes. Example: from the recent case study, we can figure out that the company's growth rate has increased by 30%. Accountability. Taking responsibility for one's actions and decisions. Example: when the company falls into a serious crisis, managers must take their share of accountability. Stakeholder. An individual or groups who have a vested interest in a business. Example: at the end of the financial year, we share our profit and loss statement with our stakeholders. Words related to human resource. Recruit. To find new people to join an organization. Example: the team manager is in charge of training the new recruits. Turnover. The rate at which employees leave an organization and are replaced by new ones. Example: the HR department confirmed that this year's turnover has decreased significantly because of the introduction of flexible employee rules. Job specification. A document outlining the skills, knowledge, and experience required for a particular job. Example: as for the job specification, new employees are expected to be proficient in data analysis. Onboarding. The process of integrating new employees into the organization. Example: a smooth onboarding process can greatly influence an employee's long-term success in the company. Incentive. Rewards or bonuses offered to employees to motivate them to achieve specific goals. Example: The company provides additional incentives to employees who generate more buyers. Words related to business communication. Briefing. A meeting for giving information or instructions. Example: during the briefing, it was clearly mentioned that this assignment has to be completed on time. Negotiation. A process of communication between parties aimed at finding mutually beneficial solutions. Example: Mr. Johnson always makes sure he dominates a business negotiation. Feedback. Insights and opinions about a product, service, or individual's work used to promote improvements and decision making. Example: customers are requested to provide their feedback on this product through email. Networking. The action or process of interacting with others to exchange information and develop professional or social contacts. Example: in order to increase export sales, Telemax company involves in active networking with foreign companies through frequent business meets. Pitch. A presentation made to sell a product or service or to attract funding. Example: the sales department is preparing a pitch to attract foreign trade. If you have found this video helpful, do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel Access Spoken English to watch more videos on spoken English. See you soon. Bye-bye.